We stayed at the Dreams Onyx Resort and Spa in Punta Cana in April of 2022. This is a full tour of the areas and amenities of the hotel. There are several lobbies throughout the hotel. We stayed at the Splash building, which is where the water park is, and that building had its own lobby, which is a great way to distribute the check-in and check-out process. Here you see the main lobby, which is very well decorated, ample, big, but we didn't check in at this lobby. While you wait to check in, you can have a drink at the Splash building lobby bar, or you can have a piece of fresh fruit, which is a nice addition to have while you wait for the check-in or check-out process. The main lobby is super big. It also has a bar. It has a capacity for many people. It was a bit crowded, but we didn't feel that it was crowded. Our check-in process was super quick, and each building having its own lobby, we felt like we were in a VIP check-in process because we were the only ones there and we were able to check in right away. The gym was big and very well equipped. It had many machines like stationary bikes, elliptical machines, walking machines, and we found this gym to be one of the best equipped we've seen in a hotel in Punta Cana. It actually had 2 floors. On the second floor, you have all your free weights, which is a great addition. The spa in the hotel is run by Pevonia, which is a very famous brand that manages spas around the world. There is a very cool water park. It has many slides from beginner to like very extreme. There is a lazy river on which you can float around the water park. There is a large pool in the water park, which was actually very cold, and it had a screen with music playing. Onyx is located in Uvero Alto, which is a bit away from the Bávaro area, where you can find the white sand beaches with the turquoise color. This beach is a bit different, so if you want a white sanded beach, do not stay in the Uvero Alto area. The sand here is a bit brownish, and the water is not as blue as you can find in the Bávaro area. There is a preferred club members only section for the beach furniture. It also have a beach bar. There was a bit of seaweed on the sand, not as much on the water. Keep in mind that we visited on the month of April, so this is like the beginning of seaweed season. So there was not a lot of seaweed, but there was some seaweed. And during the summer months, it would get worse. They do their best to clean it up using like a tractor to pick up the seaweed. So you will find it early in the morning, more seaweed than if you go after they clean it up. There are 8 bars throughout the hotel, plus 3 preferred club bars. So if you find yourself wanting a drink, there's always a bar nearby. The drinks were pretty good. There is only one buffet restaurant, which is the Carnival International Cafe, for breakfast and lunch. If you are on the preferred club, you will have another restaurant just for you. But for the rest of the guests, just one restaurant for the breakfast and lunch buffets. They had a great selection of international foods and dishes for breakfast. If you want to see our food review of the Dreams Onyx, click on this video right here on the corner, or click the link down in the description for a full review of our food experience at the Dreams Onyx. There are 6 a la carte restaurants. The best thing is that you do not need a reservation for any of them. Only you need a reservation if you're going to the Teppanyaki show at the Asian restaurant. The Oasis Coco Cafe, which is a 24/7 snack bar filled with many sweet goodies. If you stay at the Dreams Onyx, you also have access to the breathless Punta Cana property and all its amenities and restaurants. There are many pools around the hotel. The main pool area divides itself into many other pools. There are many rooms that you can swim up to the pool. The gardens were beautiful, very well kept. This is the main pool area, which can get very crowded during the day. You see it here empty because we got up super early before they opened it. This is an adults-only preferred club members pool. We ran into a karaoke night and it was super fun. Click on this video for a full review and our honest opinion of the Dreams Onyx Punta Cana.